So the question is, are there any tips on how to sync the hands when doing sweep arpeggios? And yeah, there are. And one of the exercises I like to do is just take part of the arpeggio. So for instance, if we do an A minor arpeggio, which is this one, we're just going to do 3 strings. And then start sweeping it. Make sure your fingers pop off so it's not this. So I really think sweep picking is difficult because of the left hand, not the right hand. It's easy to go like this. But can you get the hand to go while you're just sweeping? Now let's add a note. And build up your speed. Add a note. Now with this one, once you get there, you can do all left hand, hammer on, pull off. Now coming back, hope that helps. We'll see you in the next lesson.